Nope.
All right, let's play the game. I have here my putty problem. We have 3 kilogram mass of putty. We put a firecracker in there. We set it off. Afterwards, I've got a 1 kilogram piece moving north. I got a 0.5 kilogram thing moving at 15 degrees, 45 meters per second. And I have a third piece. Now, logically, I would assume it's probably going to go this way. But I'm not going to assume that at all. What am I going to do instead? I'm going to say it's going to go in this, quote, positive direction. And then what's going to happen when I'm wrong? We get some negative numbers. Is that okay? Yeah, because of that. I would always draw it that way. Make my life a little better. Okay?
How do you find out like the third pieces and like initial
mass?
Extra.
We're going to try to figure that out right now. All right, now moving forward. Next thing. I'm missing a mass here, but I've got 1 kilogram, 0.5 kilograms. Your chemistry teacher perhaps mentioned something called conservation of mass. So if you start with 3 kilograms of putty, how much do you have at the end? 3 kilograms of putty. So if I have 1 and 0.5, this must be 1.5 kilograms. Right? Unless something was destroyed in a nuclear reaction. This doesn't look like it's powerful enough for that, so we're going to go with there's still 1.5 kilograms there. Nuclear firecracker. All right, nuclear firecrackers. All right, so we're going to start with the x direction because we're lazy and don't like to think real hard. Momentum before equals momentum after. What am I doing? That's bad. Momentum before equals momentum after. Now, momentum before would be this one, x direction, got to figure out its components, right? So this would be 45 cosine of 15 degrees, right? So I put that in my calculator, make it do all the work, because it's designed to do things like that. And I get 43.47. 5 is fine. Nothing wrong with that. I'd be a little more picky than you are, but not much. No other. Oh, I'm gonna break this into components too. I might as well do it while I'm thinking about it. So that would be 45 sine of 15, 11.65. So that's good. Be with me. All right, let's do it. Momentum before, momentum after. What's momentum before in the x direction before the firecracker goes off? 0. Boom. Momentum after. I have 0.5. Going 43.47 negative, because it's going to the left, plus, Peter asked about this question like 3 times. What the heck? What's this one's x direction? 0. What about this one? 1.5 times Vx. Can I solve that beast? Then let's do it. So I got 43.47 times 0.5. So you get 21.735-ish equals 1.5 Vx. And I get 14.49 meters per second as my velocity in the x direction. I'm going to pause there. If you were struggling with this problem, I'm going to let you a little time right now to finish up this problem. In the y direction.
I don't get which one you're looking. I got negative.
So the y direction, what do I got going on now? I've got 0 initial.
Can I have 30?
No, there's nothing moving here.
30 plus.
Piece of firecracker doing nothing. Right? At the very beginning, there's no y direction. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So then I've got 1 times 30 plus 0.5 times negative 11.65 plus 1.5 times velocity in the y direction. So I've got 30 plus 0.5 times negative 11.65. And I get a lovely 0 equals 24.175 plus 1.5 EY. Move to the other side. Negative.
3.
We get 16.12. That was not in the answers I was hearing.
Yeah, I got 16.1.
Okay. Deal? Negative? Oh no, we drew it the wrong way. What shall we ever do?
Redraw it.
Just draw it the right way, right? So now I'm going to draw it this way and down. So this is going to be 14.49. This is going to be 16.12. And I'm on my merry way. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Arctangent of side over side.
Keep doing it.
All right. I feel like I've done a lot of Pythagoras in the
I want to see.
last month. I feel like I kind of done my Pythagoras enough.
No, Resi, there's money on this. You gotta
There's
do
money
this.
on this?
Yes.
If there's money on this, well, then that's different.
Okay.
I'm getting 21.7 meters per second.
Okay, that's all I got.
Okay.
48.
16.12 divided by 14.49. Arc answer. How about 48.1 degrees
South of east.
south of east?
You can get the point 1.
Ooh, Brandon, looks like you get $1.
You owe him $1.
How many ones on me?
Oh man.
Too bad.
Well, he'll take
I'll
a
take
20.
100. It has a 1 in it.
I don't have any 20s.